Please, brothers and sisters, take my advice. Don't get a fatwa from your guy sleeping next to you in the tent. Please, this is your Hajj and your religion. Somebody says, I read in a book this, I read in a book that. SubhanAllah, how much confusion I have had to explain, how much ignorance. Like, people just talk a lot, they think they know the religion. Hajj is a very complicated act of worship. Go to people of knowledge. And you know, alhamdulillah, the government, they have done a lot of good, by the way. You can criticize a lot, but they've done a lot of good as well. Of the best things they've done in Hajj, they have fatwa offices everywhere, in all the languages of the world. Everywhere you find small cabins, it says fatwa, question, you have any issue. These are people, my friends used to, I could have translated as well, but I didn't want to go there. But this is something people of knowledge go to. And they're all scholars who have done Hajj, and they know the fiqh. Please, don't get the fatwa from your friend. Don't get the fatwa from, I read in a book this, because you will ruin your Hajj and your ibadah. And I have had to, astaghfirullah, lots of horror stories of Hajj. Go to people of knowledge. Go to these cabins, and you will find a sheikh there. There will be a translator around him, English and Urdu, every cabin has it. The more exotic languages, you can find it. But English and Urdu, every single cabin will have translators for English and Urdu. You go there and ask your question. Allah.